Hello, Nick Shaw. This Dikembe Mutombo, the NBA Global Ambassador, 18 years NBA veteran, 4-time Defense Player of the Year. Anything else you want me to tell you? You just need to go to the NBA.com. You can Google and learn more about me. I'm just coming to congratulate you for all this great effort that you've been doing on behalf of all those wonderful children in Kenya, especially in particular, who are suffering, who have no place to live, no food and no clothes. I'm glad that you have provided the energy and the resources to find a way how you can bring them something, what we call, in my world, bring them hope. That's what we are bringing to most of those kids. Your food and clothes and the money that you've been raising is very important. But to me, the hope that you're giving to them, to know that somebody is there who cares for them, and you have shown that. Keep bringing those guys together, putting a basketball tournament, 3-on-3, but one day you will see me playing in your tournament, and I'm going to be blocking everybody's shot and say, you can fly in the house of Mutombo and you know that better. Give it a finger wave, which is a Mutombo signature. Sorry that I can't come this year, maybe next year we'll try to connect. Thank you, God bless.